What's happening, everybody? TechDadHD here, and I want to make a quick video to help you navigate through your iPhone a little bit quicker, easier, and maybe just to navigate through it. Let's jump into this video right now. So I know a lot of people have multiple apps on their iPhone, iPad, and it kind of gets cluttered. A lot of different apps, trying to find your favorite app. If you never really move your apps to the front of the home screen, or you don't do folders, or if you don't really utilize that app library that iOS 14 came out with, this tip's going to help you navigate through your phone apps a lot quicker so you can get to your app at a faster rate than you are now. So we're going to jump over to the iPad, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do, and hopefully you guys don't know this yet, or if you do know it, hey, sorry. But if you don't know it, I hope this thing helps you out with searching through your phone apps a lot quicker. So let's jump to the iPad right now and get into it. All right, so on your iPad, if you have multiple screens, multiple apps, I don't have many apps on my iPad that I got to search through this thing. But typically people have a lot of apps where they're just scrolling, and they finally find an app, and oh my gosh, there it is. That's what I want to use. And they click on it. This is going to be a lot quicker for you. So this is what you got to do. If you happen to see these three little dots down here, so I want to zoom in so you can see that here. Right there at the bottom of the screen, I got three dots. So what does that mean? That shows me pages I have to go through my apps. So one quick little way to make it a lot easier if you want to get to the end page of your apps, all you need to do is hold down on that three dots down there, and you see how it highlights? Then all you gotta do is scroll to the right, left, and it goes through your app pages a lot quicker. So if you have like 15 different, screens of your apps, you can sort through them really quick compared to swiping. And that's it. I hope this video helps you go through your phone a lot quicker, smoother, to get to your apps faster than you have been now. If not, hey, I'm sorry, you already knew about it. No worries. I'll get you on the next one. Something that you probably hopefully don't know. So I want to thank you for watching this video, and it's TechDadHD, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.